how to make YouTube banner in Canva. So first, go to your account and then click on the search bar at the top and then type in YouTube banner and search for it. Now from here, you can either create a blank one, create a YouTube banner from scratch, or just use one of the templates. So let's say you want to use this template here. Just click on it and then click on customize this template. Now from there, you can just customize the template however you want. So let's say I want to change the text here into my YouTube name. So you can see. Now let's say if you don't want to have a controller here, or you can just delete this one, then click on the elements and then add anything here. Let's say I want to add a camera, and then graphics. Let's say I want to add this one, and yeah, you can customize your banner from here. And then let's say you're done customizing your banner, you just need to click on share here and then click on download and then download it, and then wait for it to load. Okay, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.